Good day, Mom. I am Triana May Tangke, and today I will be sharing my short observation about children in their late childhood, ages 9 to 12 years old. I took pictures of them with permission, and I created a collage to show some of the common characteristics I observed. Late childhood is a stage where children becoming more independent, more aware of themselves, and more capable physically, mentally, and socially. In this video, I will talk about the similarities I notice in terms of their physical, cognitive, and socio-emotional development. First, in terms of their physical development, I observe that children aged 9 to 12 are becoming more coordinated and confident with their movements. When I took their pictures, I noticed that they were comfortable doing activities like walking, running, playing, or posing and balancing. Their bodies look stronger compared to younger children. They also show signs of early growth changes. Some are getting taller and their body structures are becoming more proportioned. Even the way they smile or pose in photos shows that they are more aware of how they look. They can follow instructions like stand straight, look in this side, or post with your friends, which means their motor control is improving. Next, for their cognitive development, I saw that kids ages 9 to 12 can think more logically. While taking photos, they ask questions like, unsa ni ma'am? Or, okay ba ni nga post? This shows they already think before acting. They can also follow directions easily. They know how to agree themselves, compare their heights, and even suggest ideas for pictures. Children at this age are also curious and observant. For example, they notice small details like who is the tallest and who is the middle, or if the camera angles looks good. This shows that um, their reasoning and problem solving skills are developing. For their socio emotional development, I observed that children ages 9 to 12 enjoying being around other kids. They like interacting, laughing, and helping each other during the photo shoot or during playing. They communicate more maturely. When I asked them to group together, they cooperated, they shared ideas, and they respected each other's space. I also noticed that they already show self confidence. Some children enjoy posing, smiling, and even suggesting what they wanted the picture to look like. This age group is starting to build their own identity and expressing themselves better. To sum up, based on my observation, the picture I collected children in late childhood, ages 9 to 12, share many common characteristics. They are more coordinated and physically stronger. They think more logical and follow instructions with ease. They show better emotional control, confidence, and social interaction. Um, this stage is truly an exciting part of their growth because they begin to show who they are becoming. Thank you for listening, Mom, and I hope you enjoy my short presentation. God bless.